Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SunFish video tutorial. In today's video, we'll be explaining about how to take a leave on SunFish Mobile. So, let's dive in. You can find the Leave Request feature either on your Favorites tab, if you've added it there before, or just head to the Menu tab at the bottom, scroll down, and look for Attendance Request. Then tap on Leave Request. On the main page, you'll see all the leave requests you've submitted, whether they're approved, canceled, or still in progress. Need to find something specific? Tap the search icon at the top right. Want to check your remaining leave? Tap on My Leave Balance. Curious about your teammate's leave schedule? Just tap Teammates Leave. Ready to submit a leave? Tap the blue plus button at the bottom right. Fill in the details like type of leave, date range, add remarks if needed, and upload your supporting documents in the attachment section. You can also check your leave validity and balance here. Need just half a day off? Tap Session, then choose first half or second half. Want to see who'll approve your request? Tap See Details. Hit Draft if you want to save it for later, or Submit once you're all set. That's it. Taking time off just got easier with SunFish Mobile.